Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word securely. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The valuable items were securely locked in the safe. In a safe and protected manner, ensuring that the valuable items are well guarded and protected from potential theft or damage. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.